going on, Liquidation Gang? It's your boy John the Liquidator coming back with another video. As you guys seen from the B-roll footage in the beginning of the video, this is Living with Chris BMW 340i X Drive, guys. 2022. He won't have this car any much longer. He decided to let me do a review on it. The beautiful blue paint job on this thing, guys. This thing, how many horsepower? Got like 400 some horse, don't it? The horsepower on this car, isn't it like 400? 400 plus horse. And it got a turbo too. Twin turbo BMW, guys. 2022 model. X Drive, baby. Got it off the showroom floor. 0 mile. Look at the pearls in the paint, guys. The pearls in the paint. Super, super dope, nice car, man. Nice blue accent brake calipers to go along with the blue paint. I like these wheels on here, some super dope wheels. Complement the mirrors right there. Almost give it like that matte finish. And then, of course, you got the BMW snorkel grille up front. This is a new type of grille that they put on all their cars. Super dope, nice grille. LED lights with the LED trim. Look at the inside of the lights. Nasty. Nasty, guys. Big old BMW logo. Let's check out the inside of this thing, guys. This thing is dope. Leather seats. Look at that. The blue accent inside the seats. Nice, beautiful leather steering wheel. Still got the new car smell on the inside. Look at this. Super dope, guys. Forced carbon. Oh, no, this isn't forced carbon. This is wood grain on the console there. Super dope, super nice. Nice big screen in this John. Nice sunroof up top. Super dope car. He's actually going to be getting a new car in the next coming days. Another car in 2022. In year 2022, guys. Guys doing big things out here in the car world and in the entrepreneur world. Look at that. Leather with the blue accent along the door trim. Super dope. What type of sound system we got in here? Herman Cordon sound system, so you know it's bumping. Look at that. So you know it's bumping. Wood grain on the dash here with nice wood grain finish. Nice little floor shifter. He can actually control the radio with his finger, which is super dope. Nice new features. Digi screen up on the dash. LED backup camera mirrors. LED finish. Super dope, super nice car. Let me see if I can get a cold start on this thing here. Here, you want to start it up? And hit the gas. Let me try to get a cold start. Get a cold start on this car real quick. And guys, I actually rode in this car when he first got it, and it is fast. Yeah. Hit it. Cold start, twin turbo, 400 plus horsepower. Super dope, super fast. You want to pop the hood so I can show him the motor? Pop. Alright, guys, so we're back. As you guys can see, this thing is brand spanking new. Look at that. Brand new motor, guys. Nice big BMW logo on there. Twin turbo. The car is on, right? Can't even hear the motor, guys. Can't even hear the motor on this thing. Super dope. No wrap, you know, it's all painted. It's all paint, baby. Look at this brand new thing, brand new, guys. But, unfortunately, he won't have this car that much longer, man. He's finna be trading this guy in, giving it back to BMW, getting a whole new car, and yes, it will be a 2022. He'll be getting another 2022 in year 2022, guys. But with that being said, that will conclude the review on this 340i X-Drive BMW. Living with Chris. This is his car. Not for that much longer though. But it's your boy John the Liquidator. Check it out with another video. Peace.